This is an update from the Dorchester luxury condos in Kiwatule, and to give you an update as of today so that you can see where we have reached, the progress of the work that we've done. Okay, so from the last update, we were building the plinth wall. We're still building, but now we're preparing for casting the columns as well. So the columns will be cast inside there. Let me show you. In here is where we shall be casting the columns. Okay, so we prepared the housing. That looks good. We prepared the housing here as well. This is the column housing. It goes down to the very bottom. You can see it from the back. Okay, that looks very nice. This is the duct that will be covering the pipes, drainage pipes, water pipes, everything. So this whole place is going to be covered under the site concrete. This whole place is going to be covered, as you can see. But this is the foundation work that goes into the ground. You don't see this, unfortunately, with the finished product. Okay. This here is a column base, a column pit, already cast. Looks very good. 60 centimeter, 600 millimeter cast concrete for the padding. Okay. We have another one over there, and others will be dug as well. This is one column. Let's see how it looks like. Very, very well done. The housing looks good. This is the housing. All this is going to be concrete cast here. Okay. And then all this will be covered. We'll have our beam, which is going to be 16 inches from here to here, like that. That's the overside beam, which will connect to this side and all the other places. Okay. Let me give you this view here so that you can see how the walls have been set up well and how good they look right now. I think you can see the straight line over here. You can see that. You can see it also here as well. If I do this, you can see it. Then when I take it up as well, you can see it looking very, very nice. Okay. That's Ruby. You can say hi to Ruby. And then this is our Thor hammer. You know, Thor was here earlier today and he left his hammer. That's the Thor hammer. This is a column. Of course, we're going to put the casing here behind, on the side, all the four corners, so that when we cast, it will be solid concrete. Okay. Let me show you this here. Very well done, as you can see. Let me give you a zoomed in view. You see that? Looks very, very nice. Iwe weak. Let me first talk to this guy. Binding wire kawakozesa nyinja nenchi. Bazisazire sente. Look at this here. See that? So once we cast this and remove the wood, it will be a very straight 90 degree. Niningwa konkambwenu. Baituleba nanka kanyingi eji. This is what I'm talking about. Huh? Kande nu balance inkrora haside buno burabiremu obu storage nibo okay, let's see the other one. We don't want to waste material. We want to use the material well. Let me see. Okay, this looks good actually. Ah, okay. Nachireba. Nawe ina maana gakulega. Okay. Okay. Nachietegereza. Okay. Carry on. Nkuganyire. So let's go back and continue the show. This is yet another column, as you can see. Very well done. This is a plinth wall. It will all be underground after we cover it with the overside concrete. Look at that. It's very nice. So I can give you this view here. This looks beautiful. Okay, let's proceed. And of course, we have this column here ready for the print walls as well. So that wall will come here, it will be joined here, go across, it will join with the other side. All this here will join, you know, here it will join, it will join. Even here, we will join it. We'll cut a trench in the middle, join this wall. This here will come to this column and we'll join with the other ones where the people are building. You see that? So that wall is going to come to this column here. Okay, I'll get to that point. Let's continue on this side. Look at this majestic piece right here. Look at that beauty. Look at that. That's 12 iron bars, a T20 in this thing right here. 2 feet wide by 1 foot, 1 foot wide by 2 feet, 1 foot thick by 2 feet wide. That right there. Same as that one right there. Looking very nice. Okay. Excuse me, Ruby. So we come here. We have yet another column, pit set up well. Let me go up to our water tank so that I give you a bigger view so you can see the big picture of the whole middle of the site. So when I come here, you can see it. This is the middle of the site, the Dorchester luxury condos. As you can see the column here, it ties into the next one, ties into all the columns in line as well. Let me zoom in so you can see. Do you see that? If we start here, you go in the same line, column after column after column after column. And if I stand on the side, if I stand a little bit off to the side, you can see how they are staggered. Column with the ruby in the middle, column, column, right? Staggered. And of course, if you come here, you'll see the same thing on this side as well. From here, you'll see the columns as well. Let me zoom in. They are lined up as well. Remember in the other video I told you about the magic of the disappearing column? You can see that the column here is thinner than the wall, which lets you know that once the house is complete, you will not see any columns inside the house. Okay, which is extremely beautiful. Okay, very aesthetically pleasing. I want to show you the smoothness of this wall. This is the fair face. Look at that. I want you to focus on this side here, this side, not this side here. See how straight that is? Straight. Now when I go off on the sides, you can see it coming into view. Very, very well done. These are excellent clay bricks that we use for the foundation, Prince Wall foundation build. Okay, this is the rough side. Look at that. And then here we have the fair side. Look at that. Beautifully done. Very good. Very good. This is the elevator shafts. You can see it's already taking shape. We're going to stand up on this hill here so that you can see this whole area well. But we'll stand up here. Okay, we're building the elevator shaft. And then of course here, this is where we'll have the stairs going up, 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 covering this side here and this side and the back as well. I'll show you that. Okay. Look at the white line. We talked about the white line. You see it here on the corner. Let me zoom in. This white line, that is for guidance. Let him pass first. Okay. So the white line is for guidance to ensure everything is correct. As you can see, it is straight. This is our material transfer. Look at that. It's really good. Okay, let's go up so that you can see. Let me give you this view over here. We're building the underground plinth wall. Okay, Show you the men in action. It is 7:05 right now, and we're still working. Looks very nice. Let me zoom out so that you can see. Let me give you this view first. See that? That's where we've been. I'll show you this side. This is where we are. So that's our elevator shafts in there. This is the place for the stairs that I've been talking about. They're going to be up here. It looks very, very nice. Excellent. So like we mentioned before, this section here is where our pool will be. This section in the corner, this is where our gazebo will be. Our gym is here, and this whole level is the parking, 2-car parking for each condominium. Okay. Let me give you this side as well so that you can see it. Very good. I'm very, very happy with the progress. Looks excellent. So this is our pool area. 2 car parking each. These are our materials. We have the beams, the columns. We have these iron bars are for the bigger columns that we're yet to dig up for. Okay, our material. JK, look Facebook, over Twitter, WhatsApp, TikTok. Sebo. So we have our material. We have our cement here. Of course, we have our marine boards over here, as you can see, ready to be applied to the elevator area. We have our crane right there. We have our mixer. We have our sand deposits. We have our aggregates. We're ready for everything. Well planned, well programmed. This is the update from the Dorchester luxury condos in Kiwatule. Like we mentioned, each apartment, each condo is 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom. It's 205 square meters, and at this construction stage, each is going for 560 million Uganda shillings, which is equivalent to 150,000 US dollars. Once the construction is complete, the price will go up to 650 million Uganda shillings, which is approximately $178,000. Okay, so this is the progress as of today from the Dorchester luxury condos in Kiwatule. Until tomorrow, I'll give you another update as well. Okay, thank you. Bye.